1K daily system. Hi guys, what's up? This is Arvind here from arvind-nair.com and warm welcome back to 1K daily system product review and demo. So in one single sentence, it's an application which would generate income using high ticket products of others which they have already existing in the market, and which will also include free traffic along with it. So that's in a nutshell what this application is all about. So before going into detail, in this particular video I will take you through the members area. I will also show you the sales page. So stay tuned till this complete video is over. If you like my channel and the review, please give a thumbs up and also subscribe to it. Before going into the product in detail, as usual, I'm going to give you some very interesting bonuses if you purchase this particular product through my link down below. If you're seeing through the YouTube, there is a link just down below, or else you can directly click on any of the buttons which is there. Right, so let me quickly show you the bonuses I am going to share with you today if you're going to purchase this. The first bonus is called Built Insane List using 1K Profit. So this is a product which will help you to increase and make sure you build on the subscribers. One of the things which is kind of lacking in this particular product is getting your subscribers and making sure you have a list which is there. So this particular bonus will help you to get the members or the subscribers so that you can actually direct your traffic towards these particular subscribers. So that is the first bonus I'm going to give you away when you're going to purchase this particular product via me. Right. So the second product is called, or the bonus is called Traffic Frenzy, which will again give more traffic. So in this particular product, it has shown you to, there is a training module inside the members area, which I'll show you to create and post certain things to social media. There is also training for traffic, but the real traffic coming into will probably might take some time. So that also is covered as part of this particular product. As a bonus I'm giving you, this will help you to get more traffic to your system, enabling again to get more sales and more commission once you get this product via my link down below. Right, so this is the second bonus. The third bonus is, it's called launch jacking, which is one of the famous product which has been created by Jono Armstrong. He's one of the top affiliate marketers and he still does launch jacking. So you can know the tips and tricks of entering into launch jacking, and you can organically basically make money out of it without even spending a single penny from your pocket, while at the same time you generate commissions and you have a mailing list or the subscribers. So this product will help you to get into that area and teach you and train you on these launch jacking methods. So that's a third product I'm going to give you. The fourth bonus is called Video Hub. This is a product which will give you a subscription called Video Hub, which will basically help you to promote videos, and which will help you to start building video communications with your subscribers, which is actually essentially good along if you use along with this particular product. The basic reason is you are sending traffic to a certain group, but they don't know what the product is all about. So that will be a good idea if you can combine this with this particular video hub, and you can generate your own video and send along with it. It will be ultimately, what you call a win-win for you, and as well as the subscribers or the customers. Again, this is another bonus I'm going to give you along with this particular product. The final bonus I'm going to give you is all-in-one social media marketing tool. Again, this will help you with 1K daily system in converting how to market effectively in social media. So if you go to the members area, I will show you that this system, 1K daily system, is integrated with many of the social media platforms. So this particular bonus will help you to effectively target the audience and also effectively make sure that you can market those particular high ticket in this particular product to the subscribers. So this bonus will help you to do that. So all the bonuses which I'm going to give away is targeted to basically overcome some of the cons of this particular product. So that is something which I am very specifically suggesting. And of course there are other people who can get you this product, but I'm sure that you'll not find this good bonuses. You can have a look around and you can still come back and get it from me. So what you have to just do it is click on any of the links and it'll take you to sales page. Okay, so this is not over the fifth bonus, and then you will have all your vendor bonuses. So there's a ton of vendor bonuses they have offered. Around 15, if I'm not wrong, 10 to 15 bonuses are there from vendors, so you can actually utilize all those bonuses as well if you purchase this product through my link down below. So what you basically need to do is you can click on any of the link. It gets you to the sales page, and once you're in the sales page, you can click on get start now. And once you have purchased this particular product from Warrior Plus, if you come back to this page, I'll show you what will happen is in your purchase history you will have something called access your affiliate bonus. Yeah, so once you have your purchase ready from your purchase history, you can access your affiliate bonus. Click on it, and all the bonuses are there exclusively for you to just take use of it. So that's about the bonus. Let me now go quickly to the product itself in detail. So as I told, what is 1K system? So one line summary, 1K daily system is a cloud-based software which is an all-in-one solution for marketing effortless three-figure commissions by selling other people's high-ticket products. So they have identified at least four high-ticket products off the shelf. So you basically have to start running with those, and these are all well-known products which are selling at a very very high what you call rate in the market currently. So it's all done for you, don't have to do, including what they'll do is including the bonuses, right? So that's what they're saying. So again, this app is simple. The idea is to build your email list and generate high ticket commission by giving away a free gift to entice people to attend and watch a auto webinar. Anyways, I'll show you through when I'm going to the members area. Again, it is easy to scale. Start with one of the premium done for you offer included, then and other high ticket offers are ready. This system uses something called straight marketing line. It builds your list while making commissions without over sending an email. Yeah, of course you can email your constantly growing list as often as you like. It is not essential for making day profits a new lead. The software builds you two pages with combines of sky high conversions. Your done for you lead generation page offers both a free giveaway and a free training session, which appeals to the wider audience so that you can get two times your leads. And your done for you sale page features a free training webinar. Okay, these are all which I have taken to trying to explain this product all about, but it will be simple if you go through the members area. I'll show you while in a few minutes. uh, so uh, so just to summarize it, yeah, more leads and constant growing list without any product creation. That's one main advantage. Then you have got higher quality subscribers. You add a huge percentage of high ticket buyers to your list for even more long term profits. Yeah, that's right. So people who are going to buy these products are not, it's not like $10 or $5 or $15 or $20. All this done for you ticket sales are close to $800, $1,200, all those stuff. So basically what you can do is, once you get established with this particular product, you can actually start promoting other high tickets as well. And once you have start selling these high tickets to the current people, you have the mailing list with you, which will help you to sell other things which are already there and effectively make more commission. And that's exactly what this product is going to do to you. Again, instant commissions, no more waiting for results, because you can now get paid as you build your list. So that's the product in a summary level. I will, before going to the dashboard, I'm going to go you through the sales page. So this is a sales page. So world's first automated high ticket commission app generates $1,000 plus paydays and unlimited free traffic in under 60 seconds. Yeah, so we use this app to make 1,000 days a commission on a daily. Now it's your turn. So these are the product owners who not these are this is the product owners claim, and they are exactly using the same technique to get money out of it. So as you know, in the sales page, the regular testimonials, and then you have your sale commissions, or how many sales have been done. I'm not going into detail. Let me show you some of the So this is what has been given, right? So they have been showing how much of the amount have been given. Yeah. And then there's some of your passive income generated on a daily basis. So as I told, in every almost in sales page they have this. So these are some of the people who have made multi-million using high tickets. Yeah, and Glenn Koshi is the product owner, and he is one of the platinum vendors in Warrior Plus, who has got around 8 million sales. So he's a person who has created this. So yeah, so I'm not going into detail. So what I can show you is, I think I can show you is the bonuses, right? So bonuses is traffic software. So that's the first bonus. Again, all the software, all the bonus are included in my link, so that's not a problem. You can get all those things here. The bonus number two, and again they are giving bonus number three. They have got four bonuses. So these are the additional bonuses they are giving. Yeah. So this is how the sales page looks. I'm not going to detail because I just wanted to show you what are the key things, but I strongly prefer to suggest to go through the sales page, click on my link, any of the link here, you know, and it'll take you through the sales page. So click on any of the button, it'll come to the sales page, and you can have a look around. Now what I'm going to show you is now the demo, or how the product looks like, or how the application looks like. So this is a dashboard, this is a landing page. It's very simple, it's very sleek. I will definitely have liked it. I've seen many other products, but this is something that's very good. It has got color, it has organized itself in a very very nice way. No fussing around, it's very simple and straight, but is it very powerful. So the dashboard, it's how it looks like. So you have a, basically if you enter, you have just a demo, or rather an introduction kind of a video, where essentially they're telling what are things here, etc., etc. So that's first one. Then you have got tutorials, where it will take you through various understanding, or basically take you through trainings on how all these are arranged. For example, they have got training academy for how to set up your campaigns. Then you have got how to deliver your bonuses. You can see this, right? Then they have got, again, social images, how to market social images. They have got training on create your own campaigns. Yeah. They have got profit tools. They have got super affiliate builders. They have got traffic strategy videos, actually how to build effective strategies on traffic. Then they have got yeah, that's all 3 lessons for traffic strategies, and then 4 free courses for affiliate marketing. So all these there are there in your tutorial. So it's, again, it's not only the application they are giving, but they have given step by step training to take it to the next level. So those are the trainings which is there as part of the tutorials. Then they have got done for you campaigns. As I told, this product comes exclusively with this done for you campaigns. I'll come in a bit. So these are all already done for you. You don't have to do anything extra. So these are the done for you campaigns. I will show you how to create new campaigns. So this is something where you need to get the affiliate link approved. So this is the key. The reason being, if you want to sell a certain done for you campaigns, you need to get the affiliate link. And basically what you need to do is get an affiliate link. It'll go and get your affiliate link from there. So what you need to do is you have to click on it. So it has gone to ClickBank. Yeah. And basically you have to get the affiliate link. So I'm not going to detail. So each of those things, it is very clear. So you can actually get the affiliate links of all your done for you setup over there. So for example, super affiliate system, profit project academy, passive income system, and simple Wi-Fi products. These are the 4 products which they are giving as a done for you system to start selling. And this is where you need to get the affiliate link, so you don't have to worry at all. So that's one good thing, where you can right away start working on things. So that's the affiliate link to get. And then you have got extra done for you campaigns. So these are something which are upsell, so I'm not going to detail. One more other thing I have to give is, these are the free traffic. So again, they are giving additional free traffic training, not separate to your tutorials. Also, they are giving certain tools as well. If you look at, you can affiliate. They are given 4 extra products. In fact, activate free traffic app. You can actually do that. Then one is viral news jacker and tube traffic machine, traffic training again here, and then you can get all those products free when you purchase this inside the members, it's already there. So it's a kind of a surprise for you guys. So one this product, you're going to get additional more products in this. So I was actually quite surprised to see that as well. So that was the free traffic, and then it's all upsells which they are giving. Um but let me again show you quickly the extra done for you campaigns. I don't think they have done anything, but let me show you the tab as well. Yeah, so this is the extra done for you partnership to success, six figure success academy membership method to partnership and CB income. So you can actually share all those things in the social shares as well. Okay, now I think what I'm going to show you is the done for you campaigns. Yeah, for example, simple Wi-Fi profit. I've done this and have made money. So what you need to do is you can actually just click on traffic. Yeah, and basically you can share it with Twitter, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it on LinkedIn. So there are a lot of social media platforms available here. Basically, you need to click on it and it starts sharing. So how it works is you can create a done for you campaign, or you can use these campaigns. And if you look at edit, yeah, what it'll give is it'll give a list or a links for that particular campaign. You need to go and get the affiliate links which I've shown you earlier. You need to click on those, get the affiliate links, and then basically start running with it. So this is if you want to edit this particular one, then you need to do that. Yeah, I'm going back. Now, if you want to publish it, what will happen is this is where you need to what you call this is a link, the URL page, your webinar link. So if I click on this, what will happen is basically it will take you uh, to that particular thing. So it's all there. What you do is, again, this is the webinar which is going to start in a few minutes. Simple Wi-Fi profits. And what will happen is if someone sees this and is going to purchase, yes, I deserve this right away. This is where you need to get that affiliate link and paste it here. That is also given in that. It's very simple. Then you are going to start earning commission. So this is how the page looks like once you share with what you call with the social media. So that's as simple as that. So these are the done for you campaigns which are already there. Then they have got extra campaigns also. But if you want to create a new campaign, which I'm not going to do it right away, but I'll show you how to do it. So you can create a campaign. It will start creating a campaign. You can find a good campaign or basically a high ticket product from ClickBank, or from, this is some tip I'm giving, from ClickBank or from what do you call, Warrior Plus or something, and then start entering that particular name. That's it. And then proceed with how do you want to do it. So that's how we want to start creating a new campaign. And then I told you the affiliate links. You need to basically get those affiliate links for all the four done for you campaigns. Yeah, so that's where I shown you. So if you look at simple Wi-Fi profits, passive income system, project profit academy, super affiliate systems, you can actually go to affiliate links and get that particular link activated. That's as simple as that. So this product is pretty much amazing. The one thing is that you have got all the done for you set up right there. You don't have to do anything extra. On top of it, you don't have to go and find out where should I find the affiliate link ready so that I can get commission. So that is in a separate module itself. The third thing is that you're going to get instantly share with social media. Now people might think, okay, I have seen products where they tell you to share with social media, but how will I get the traffic? Now that is where they give you training. And again, remember, the bonuses which I'm going to give you will help you to build your traffic and list. So again, I'm saying, just think that you have got everything together as a product and you can just relax. It's a newbie friendly. So that's what is all about, the product all about. I think you got a pretty much a good idea of how this product works. Now coming to the prices. So let me go back to the prices. So this is a upsell prices. So the first early bird price is starting with $17. I think this complete system which I've shown you, along with your free traffic training, along with all the trainings, along with all my bonuses, the vendor bonuses, no brainer for $17. It's a bargain, to be honest. So that's a one-time payment. You're going to keep the system for long. You can learn the tips and tricks of how you have to market your high ticket sales from this particular product. So that's for $17. And then they have got various upsells. One is unlimited version where they will get more of your done for you systems ready, which I've shown you again. And then you have got 100% done for you, means they will combine all your done for you campaigns along with the affiliate links, along with the free bonuses they're going to give away. Everything is there in upsell number 2. The upsell number 3 is unlimited traffic, where they guarantee a subscriber list where you can actually send certain emails out to that particular look, and then effectively getting more traffic, effectively making more money. So that's upsell number 3. Upsell number 4 is 30K in 30 days version, which they will tell you exactly the method how to build $30,000 in 30 days. That exactly the method they're going to tell you, which the product owner Glenn has exactly used. The fifth one is super affiliate version, which will basically help you to become what you call build this, and again understand and sell this in a more effective way, not only getting more money but also to ensure that you have qualified affiliate marketer as well. So that's upsell number 5. The upsell number 6 is basically license right. So potentially you can keep this software and you can resell it, and that's upsell number 6. Upsell number 7 is auto profit boost. Basically, you don't have to do anything. Somebody will do for you the auto profit boost, which will again increase your commissions, and that's the upsell number 7. Right. So these are the pricing models, but again, 17 and the 100% done for you setup is something which is very good, and I strongly recommend to pick up this product if you're interested. Anyways, it's a informed decisions you guys need to take. The reason is it's actually selling high tickets. It's not a low ticket, what you call products they're trying to sell. It's done for you. So one sale will potentially get you close to $500 to $800 per one sale. So that's how the pricing is. If you sell one particular product out of that 4, you're going to get that amount in your bank straight away, right away, straight away. Yeah. So as you know, in every my product review videos, I make pros and cons. I think I covered almost the cons again, but again I'll come back. I will let you know again once again. But some of the advantages which I've listed is, as you know, it's a cloud-based solution. You don't have to do anything. Once you purchase, you will be given a link with the username and password. That's it. You don't have to install anything. You just have to run with it. You have got done for your premium products. Absolutely, 4 premium products are there. So that's there. Then done for you funnel included. Basically, you can create your own high ticket funnel for any offers you can actually create. One thing which I forgot to tell you is it's not only high tickets you can actually promote. You can actually promote low tickets as well, right? So these guys, as part of this product, are giving you 4 high ticket products done for you. But if you want to promote low tickets as well, you can do it. So that is something which is very advantage. That's what I have actually pointed out. Done for you funnels included, so you can actually try to create those funnels from your ideas as well. There is no harm in promoting any product once you get this particular software. So that's the one thing. Then premium hosting included, so you don't have to host anything, because basically you have all those things which is there. Somebody else is hosting those pages. So basically you're going to put your affiliate link and get profit out of it. 100% free training. Yes, I have shown you that training, complete training. You have got step-by-step video training in it. Yes. And you have got huge collection of 100 premium lead magnets. So that's something which they will tell you inside the training, so you can have a look at it. It's a customizable page. Yes, I shown you when you go to create a new campaign, you can actually edit it. All those stuff is already there. And again, the last one is customizable offer. So that's something which is very unique. You can actually promote any of offers in addition to included premium products. So what will they give is, once you promote that particular high ticket, once somebody gets it, you are not only selling it, you are also trying to sell with additional bonuses. So that's all done in this particular product. So these are some of the advantages they have in this particular product, or the vendors have created in this particular product, and I feel these are some of the pros. Some of the cons are, as I told, you need to have a list which needs to be created. There is no way to track your list, so that's where my bonuses will help you. One is a list, one is a traffic. So initially you need to get that lead, or you need to get certain traffic coming in. So that's, again, it is, everything is covered as part of my bonuses. So that's some of the cons which I've mentioned. Now, just remember, my bonuses will not be there for long. This page will come down in just 8 more days. After this, you will not be getting my bonuses. So make sure that before this page comes down, you can get my bonuses, or potentially, bookmark this page, so that you will not lose it if you're interested in buying this product from my link down below. So that basically concludes the product review. Hope you have liked my product review. If you like my product review, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will be back with another product review. Till then, cheers, bye.